okay?
Wonderful.
Zach, is that good?
Everybody
peeling
gets
off
a
the
cupcake,
paper?
Zach. Uncle Doug.
Oh, did you drop your cupcake? Yeah. Oh.
Oh, we got extras.
There it is. Yay! We got it.
Oh,
Say thanks,
Daddy.
Daddy.
It tastes like marshmallows on top.
Mama?
Sure. Thank you, Aunt Amy. Oh, I got one. Daddy got one. Look what you got. You got a basketball goal. That is so cool. And look at all your presents.
Yay!
And that Donna's here, and Nana, and Uncle Dusty, and Aunt Amy. Can you say, I'm two? Can you say, I'm two?
Zach,
How old are
two
you?
fingers.
Zach, how old are you?
Look, do this. Two
Two
fingers.
balloons.
4?
4.
4, 5, 4.
Maddie's 4.
Zach is 2.
Zach is 2.
Look, Zach. 2. Put up 2 fingers. 2. 1, 2. That's Zach. Not getting it.
He's enjoying